Hi, my name is Dr. Mark Cohen. I'm an interventional cardiologist with Phoebe Cardiology. I grew up just outside of Chicago in a town called East Chicago, Indiana. Did medical school at Indiana University School of Medicine. When I first went to medical school, I thought I wanted to be a pediatrician, and I was really interested in neonatal care, and then that led to pediatric cardiology, which led in a roundabout way to adult cardiology. When I joined the group, it was with the founders. The group had started in 1982. The goal has always been to develop a world-class cardiology section. Our plans for the future are to create a service for the community that embraces all of the old and new things that you can do in cardiology and do them in a very cost-efficient and time-efficient way, and to have all the expertise that is needed to bring to bear. And because of the area of Georgia, the fact that we're relatively isolated with respect to other full-service programs, there are some smaller hospitals that offer cardiology, but nobody has the breadth and depth of the expertise that we have here, and we hope to build on that, make the program even deeper and stronger,